Right, we're in a wild camp back in Stour Woods. We've got some entertainment tonight and watching Mark put up a tarp between trees that he's never done before. And a hammock for the first time as well.
Entertainment.
I think his wife's looking forward to watching the video as well.
Yeah, of course she is. Everyone likes to laugh at my expense.
Yeah, it's a hammock and tarp camp. Mark's first time, he's never used one before.
Yeah, so this could either go very disastrous because Hammy won't help me.
I will help you.
You won't, you'll watch.
You need to learn how to do it yourself.
And you'll say exactly that. You need to learn. You won't know if you're not doing it. And you've got my help.
It's easy to put a tarp up. You've put a tarp up many times, haven't you? And the hammock's easy because it's like
I've never done it
you brought those straps, didn't you? Same as I got.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
So with them, it's really simple.
We will. I've never done one, so we'll see.
It's simple, yeah. We're in a nice spot. I'll pan round. It's my stuff. I'm going to be going between these two. I've actually been there with the hammock and tarp before. It's quite a versatile system because you don't need. You can get away with quite a decent gap between trees. As long as you've got the cord coverage. I use adjustable bungees on mine, but Mark's using traditional method of paracord.
And just see what happens as usual. My own hit or miss way.
I'm sure it'll be fine. We haven't started setting up yet, although we probably depends if we get any noises. We haven't heard anyone walking up this end,
No,
have we?
nobody at all yet. No, it's been quiet.
We did try a little woods. What Mark wanted to try earlier. That was Lexton Park.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it's a very small woods right in the middle of a large housing estate, and it was.
But we had a nice walk.
We saw at least 20 people there.
But we had a nice walk together.
Yeah. But we'll film various events throughout the evening. We're going to try and enjoy this camp because we're not sure how much longer we're going to actually come out due to the current coronavirus situation, because the UK is going into like a sort of lockdown at the moment.
Yeah, it's advised.
Obviously, being in the middle of the country in the woods, we're about as isolated as you can be.
Yes, we're
apart from ourselves. We're both now classed as key workers.
Key workers.
So we're doing an important job for the country.
Delivering their parcels.
And all their catalogues.
Essential supplies.
Maybe delivering food in the near future. Like a takeaway service.
You never know.
Never know, no. We'll see what happens in the next few months. So, just starting us out now, putting the tarp up.
Sorry?
Oh. I use adjustable bungee straps on mine. That's my preferred way of doing it. I find that easier. So you get a nice tension on the straps. Get a bit of tension on the all of my tents and tarps. I have these type triangle pegs attached, but I attach everything using 4mm bungee. I leave them permanently attached to make it easier and faster to set up. It's my preferred method. Nice and easy to peg out then. Right, I've pegged the outside out. This side I'm going to fold over so you can see me putting the tarp up. putting the hammock up, should I say. So it's all set up now. Start again. Recorder wasn't recording. I've suspended the net around the tree. This particular hammock also has metal wires that go around there to turn it into a pop-up hammock, but I left that at home because I packed the hammock with the underquilt, and having the wires in makes it a right pain in the arse. Mark's one over there I've also got at home. I might actually start using that one because I haven't actually used it yet, but his design is slightly better. It works by keeping the net off your face by tension using the thing, which is actually, I think it's a better design, isn't it?
It's the first time I've ever used one. I quite like yours, you see.
Well, haven't it popped up like that, you mean?
I like yours like that.
Yeah.
But this is the
But
first time.
that's more minimal, isn't it? I think it's easier. It's easier to set up. You don't have to worry about setting it out there. It's just easier. So I might start using that one instead. I'll turn the camera around. You'll be able to see if the camera's still recording. Yeah, it's still recording. So it relies on the. This doesn't pop up. It relies on the tension of the actual things to keep it off. So when you sit in here and you put tension in, this is going to be quite a way off your face.
Right. Okay.
I've actually got that one at home. What makes that one? It's the curvature one. I actually brought that one in error before buying that one, so I might actually start using that. It's good to have a spare, just because obviously things do break and go wrong. When Mark finds out tonight and he ends up on the floor.
You just hear me scream and cry in pain.
Well, the forest floor is nice and soft.
Yeah, great, thanks.
We are starting to lose the light, so I will pan around just the trees here. This is an old English wood, supposedly around about 1,000 years old from what I remember on the things, but it goes back to the last ice age. It's quite a secluded spot, this. It dips down, so you're quite hidden from every angle. There is a train line that runs just behind here, but it doesn't really bother you. The trains stop around about 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to put obviously the other side of the tarp up a little bit later. Well, not at the moment. It's easy to set up with it open. But we're all done. Going to put the sleeping bag in there, pillow, then it's all ready to climb in.
Interesting.
Yeah. In the summertime you can get away with not using the tarp. Unfortunately there's a lot of dew at the moment, so that's why we put the tarps up, I think.
Even if mine is going to get a little bit damp at the end.
In the mornings you wake up and it's a bit moist.
Yeah.
You can get away with not using tarp. Obviously not using the tarp, you've got open view of the sky, and obviously in the summertime when the stars are shining, it's clear skies, it's nice rather sitting up there looking at the sky, night sky. But we'll get back later, do a bit of cooking a bit later. Right, the water's boiled. Gonna have coffee in my micro cookser.
Micro cookser.
King size pot noodle, vacuum packed. It's straight into there. We've got some crisps, got some snacks, chocolate, rum. I didn't bring any cider or beer, I just brought rum. I can't be asked to carry all that liquid all the time anymore, to be honest.
I've got honey whiskey. Are you filming this still?
Yeah. I'll just leave the camera on. Don't know why the sauce exploded. It's probably because the press of the vacuum, maybe, or something. Yeah, it's definitely come out.
Yeah, that's what it was then. One of the must have been as expected, in fact. One of the little noodles.
Oh, I might have pierced it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, maybe.
It's
Never thought about that.
air out, isn't it?
No matter. I've got some sauce in here. I'll add some extra flavour. It's chicken and sweet corn.
Yeah, it's alright, chicken sweet corn.
This is what I had on when I was on that Seven Sisters camp. You got breakfast on the go. We got strong coffee and baked beans and sausages, and the rest of the bread roll from last night. Just boiling the water, then I'm going to put the baked beans and sausages in there and cook that. Multi-versatile pot system, same as what Mark's using. Different make, but the same sort of system, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you can use the top and the bottom for all sorts of things, can't you?
That's right, yeah, and I like to use mine the way I do because for ration packs it's perfect because you can boil it better than using the little titanium pot sets.
Yeah.
There's not much spacing on the other one.
Tarp and hammock are all packed away. As predicted, we've woken up to a lovely day. Filmed the sunrise a little while earlier. Hopefully that will come out quite reasonable. This is one of them small tins of beans. You know the beans and sausages, the small ones?
Alright, yeah.
This is what this is one of the small tins.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
They look quite big.
Most of the time I have a porridge mix for breakfast, but this time I fancied this because I made this up just to try out the vacuum packer. It's perfect, really.
Looks good.
Saves carrying the tins, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, a lot easier than carrying tins. Blimey. So what's this, right? Toasted muesli with milk. Directions. Add approximately 100 ml of water to the sachet content. Mix well. Allow to stand for approximately 1 minute before consuming. Ingredients: rolled oats, skimmed milk, powdered. It's got powdered milk, raisins, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, toasted and malted wheat flakes, sultanas, apricots, apple, vegetable oil, rice flour. What's the date? Oh right, okay. This could be green.
Music, you can't go wrong with music, can you?
This before the end
It's
of
dry ingredients.
the 28th of the 2nd, 2016.
Be fine.
2016. Right. This will be interesting, won't it? Does that look alright to you? Don't look mouldy, does it?
No, it's fine.
It smells alright, doesn't it?
It smells like rabbit food.
That's because it is rabbit food.
Basically it is, yeah.
Let me show you my rabbit food.
It smells like rabbit food. It smells like pet shop food.
Exactly, yeah, exactly so.
That's probably because it's out of date. All packed. Nothing left. The thing with hammock camping, you would leave a very minimal trace on the ground. You don't even know it because you're not. There's no tent space, is there?
No.
So there's no trace whatsoever. Not even a flat ground. Mark's all packed.
Yeah, all packed up here.
All sorted. We've woken up to a lovely day. It's pretty cold though, but there's a beautiful sunlight coming through the trees there, as you can see. It's supposed to be like this all day. It's been, here in the UK, it's been lovely and warm all week, apart from the last 2 days. The last 2 days there's been a cold front come down from Scandinavia, which has hit the UK, which has brought the temperatures right down. Last night it did get pretty cold, didn't it?
I know, but we were nice and warm though.
It was lovely and warm in the sleeping bags and that, but before going to bed it was starting to get pretty freezing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Especially when you sat down for a bit, you got even colder then.
I'm not going to film walking back to the car, so I'm going to call the video a hit. Sorry, here. We'll get us both in saying goodbye.
Oh.
Get too close because there's
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah,
coronavirus.
Keep distance.
So like and subscribe if you like the videos, and click for more videos for more, because there's plenty of them to choose from. Go to Mark's channel, which is
First Class Adventures.
that's YouTube.
Yep.
Or
and
Mark the Postie on
Mark the Posty one on Instagram.
Instagram. Yeah, so you can
Thank
follow
you
him on
very
there.
much.
You'll be able to see the same camp from a different perspective.
And it's been a pleasure to spend time away from everything with Andy. And it's
In the
been
woods.
a really nice camp.
Yeah, it has, yeah. First time hammock camping, did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was brilliant. It's worth doing, and I will do it again, but I think I might need a bigger rucksack next time, because apparently I'm taking more stuff when I go hammock camping.
You bear in mind we are in the middle of winter now, so you're carrying extra layers, so.
But it was good.
And that is quite a small rucksack, a sort of summer weight rucksack, isn't it, really, to be honest?
Yeah, I'm not sure, I think that's...
We'll quick pan around before we go. Enjoy the woods. And we'll say goodbye. See ya.
Bye-bye.